Let's look at a question on inventory management. In this question, which is question 5, we'll look at a Supreme Limited, which is a manufacturer of energy saving bulbs. To manufacture the finished product, 1 unit of a component LED is required. Annual requirement of component LED is 72,000 Ghana cedis. Sorry, 72,000 units. And the annual carrying cost, annual carrying cost is 3,000 per annum per unit. Other relevant details are given. So all the details up to here and here will enable us to solve the question. Now we've been asked to find the reorder quantity, the reorder level, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, and the danger level. So let's begin. Now, the reorder quantity is given by the formula 2 times the cost of ordering times the annual demand divided by the cost of ordering all squared. Now, the question has provided us with enough details. The annual demand is 72,000 Ghana cedis as given in the question. The the cost of ordering has been given as 2250 and the cost of holding has been given as 20% per annum. So we multiply 20% by the 300 cities. Okay. So we look at the details. After getting the detail, we plug all these into the formula. So we get 2 times 2250 times 7,200 all divided by 27, 20% times 300 all squared. And we are going to get 3,000 units. Okay, so the first option is good. Please, if you don't know how to uh, calculate reorder quantity, uh, I've I have the link in the description to the video that I have done on reorder quantity calculations. So you can click on it and refer and come back to this video. Now the reorder level. Mm, The reorder level is given as the maximum usage or consumption times the maximum lead time. In some books, the usage is is consumption is the same. So in the question, we have 400 units as the maximum usage and 20 days as the maximum lead time. Multiply, we get 8,000 units. So we finish with the reorder level. Maximum stock level. The minimum stock level. Minimum stock level is given as the reorder level minus the average usage times the average lead time. In the question, we have calculated the reorder level as 8,000. That is here. The average usage in the question is 300 units times the average number of days, which is 14 days. Okay, so when you multiply, we get 3,800 units. Let's go to the maximum stock level. Maximum stock level is given by the formula reorder level plus the reorder quantity minus into bracket minimum usage times the minimum lead time. We already have 8,000 units as the reorder level, 3,000 units as a reorder quantity, and the minimum usage is 200, and the minimum lead time is 8 days given here. So when we put the numbers, multiply and subtract, we get 9,400 units. The last one is the danger level, which is the minimum usage times the emergency lead time. Now, the minimum usage is 300 units times 5 days. which is 1000 units. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.